What's up, guys? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. It is Sunday. If you haven't watched our previous episode, just got back earlier from Apex, North Carolina. Got back at about 1 o'clock. It's currently around 10:30. We're getting ready to go to Anderson today to practice the B00. So I got Tyler's car wrapped yesterday, which we'll talk more about down the road. We're looking for that to be the rental car at some point. So yeah, looks like this street stock rental dream may come true. So got a lot going on. Me and Fred airing it up. Get this thing ready to go. Throw it on the open trailer that everybody loves to see, that I've been catching hell about because I ain't been riding in the boss man's enclosed. But on the open trailer today with Big White, hoping that we got all the problems, our ignition problems fixed from Caraway. So ain't one way to find out. So let's get this thing loaded up and get rolling. Got a side skirt we got to put on, so waiting on Steven, GXS Wraps. He's going to get us our numbers made this week. New Volt decal for the fender and the Meredith battery for the side skirt. So we're going to be a little numberless today, Fred. That'd be all right. We in practice mode like they used to at Daytona. All right, side skirt's on. Get this thing jacked down, loaded up, and be ready to ride. All right, got the B00, got Bittersweet loaded up. We'll strap her down and we'll be 85 on 85, headed to Anderson Speedway. All right, all loaded up. Let's get this thing headed north. Have some good time. Me and Fredo go have a little fun. Hopefully everything will go good. Fingers crossed anyway. All right, y'all know how we do it. Grab a gear and get gone on I-85. See if we can't sneak in and run a little band one. 85 on 85 all the way. And we made record time getting up here to the Anderson, South Carolina exit. Only had a little bit of road rage one time with a Porsche. It said Ray Hall on the back. So if you're looking for us, we're in a big white truck with an open trailer. Well, I had to stop off real quick here at the 7-Eleven. Get a slushy and a little push water, go down the road right here at the racetrack. So ones of you in California that watch gas $2.72 here on the southeastern coast. So drop about $75. We'll be ready to go again. Come on with it, old double nickel. Get this thing on down the road. Well, Sue's ain't open today. We're gonna go to another beer joint, get a hamburger bologna sandwich out there. Let's hop on in here. Oh, well, always hopping in here. Well, where Fred went? Find Fred and then we'll go to the racetrack. Well, Fred got in the truck and we've made it to the 3/8 mile oval of Anderson Motor Speedway. Get pulled down in here. Yeah.
This truck.
And guy Tyler, he's been working on this car. Y'all seen him on many other videos. Got Bittersweet unloaded. Got I guess that's pure stock Renegade. Really not sure. So get the suit on, set the air pressure, and see how it goes. Here with just Jeff and Fred, get us a little push water, some of this high octane, high dollar push water. We'll take Bittersweet out and see what it's gonna do for we roll in the Hickory next weekend. Gas man, what's the price now? For
13 a gallon.
13 a gallon for what is it? Renegade?
No, this is Sunoco.
Sunoco purple.
Yes.
$13 a gallon.
Good stuff.
We ain't complaining no more, Fred, about $2.70 at the pump.
That's right.
Go in Big White. All right, we got her topped off with gas. Let's go see if all this work we done, fix anything or not, or if we got to put the little 602 that could back in. So, fingers crossed. Think all the stuff we done, Fred, didn't help nothing. That was worse than what it was at Caraway. Might be time to put the little engine that could back in. What you think?
It's just not meant to be.
Just not meant to be.
One in here other than that.
Well, decided to try one more thing. We got a 352 barrel coming, so they allow us to run a 502 barrel, but we're gonna see if that'll help us any. So we're gonna throw one more last thing at it, and if that don't, then she's coming out tonight. Pizza party at the house. Been fed after fed, ain't it, Fred?
Should left that other one in.
Can't get faster without trying, though. I thought we'd done got all the speed out of it we was gonna get. Well, the carburetor made it here. Appreciate Bailey bringing it. We'll see if it's 350 a fix or problem. Take the plate off, throw it on there, and we'll see what happens. Big thank you to Bailey for bringing the carburetor and some plugs. So we'll get the plugs changed. Hopefully that'll fix it. Been chasing our tails all day, so changed carburetors. We've done all kind of stuff. So looking to change the jet on the carburetors down, the plugs. We just throw in every single thing this one last time before we admit that we got to change it. So see how it goes. Much better, so gonna advance the timing and then we'll be done. So see if that helps it any, improves anything. whole lot better, a whole lot better. So the times that we ran, we would have qualified top 3 in the mass race. So we're happy with that. Or top 5 in the mass race that was here. So I think we're headed in the right direction. Tyler gets his heads back for his motor, hopefully tomorrow or Tuesday. So we'll throw that motor together, and then we'll 2-car team rolling here. All right, let's get Bittersweet loaded up. Head this thing back towards Jefferson. We done messed around, got to talking, it got dark on us, doing a little politicking. So get this thing going up the road, and I'll tell y'all what we got coming up. Tell everybody, opening night, when is it coming?
March the 17th, St. Patty's Day. Make sure you wear your green, or Boo will have to pinch you on the booty.
Made our way up the road, get us a quick bite to eat before we call it a night. Come to the Awful Waffle, spin the jukebox, play Conway Twitty, Earl Thomas Conley. We tried to go to McDonald's, but it was taking too long. So we're going over here to Awful Waffle. But Saturday night, March 4th, Hickory Motor Speedway, it'll be on Flow Racing. Y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe.